Also catch the Okagu Masum Kwa. I told my audio, say Asem will catch them. Asem will catch them. Ose, mammy, come, mammy Bodi. Okay, mammy, also catch them. And
for Team Side Check, a peja, still no more churchim, and to Quadijana so because above our friend of mother seminal, a punchy woman, a busy mother case, no, a cocoa, a beheld double in Tissy or Mokum, a den I beheld double necessary. Almost there be a modern dear, Mammy AKOSUA, what you could now call to her. A baby affect to a double ni say, and let's say, modern into Yanko Provu, and also Team Side Check of one, ever found mother assembly serious. Yes, Namu Crano. You see, when you say, Oda on or Koyo Kodu to Oda, Una Manes son daye. And Tianuntino one Casato Mokono, because I am ashamed and say, Mammy AKOSUA Serwaa, Ekodu Court of Appeal, no, what the Crata Equatrese, one lumba wade, and non quani how I say Ghana Yenya. And Untina number, yes, Mother, or make a way, Mother, or will say, I feel one Casa reverse on my board, or more reverse Asem. After the Matias here, chrim, and ya done into Kawa Campo. Now, Moonshasa video we may say, warm and throw it to me what the Akon ever wow. And throw Asemi by if just ever tea and Sidabi. Now, somewhere the onion tokau, when your Cassatin Lumba, where that was the divorce way, Musibwe. And I call to technicalities, no, there's an appeals court. It's in Nano, or one Casa Side Check for no lawyers, or Muchich, where you're remiss. Would it tea or my dream? No whom by be a Ghana, Sanko for Ghana could position Jana. Nayaza, Nazan super exposed. A bema on the hole, Ube no home. Now, Yentie, Woman, and Tokwane and Walkon, and Moons. William! On say, or the Blanyan and Asum Jashino. And bra! I'll get the uncle Paul. Oh, the Blanyan and Asum Janashi Freda. Saying about Dampiana. What Chabiana? Oh, no, what's that? What Chabi? What's that? I need nature. I will be a hey, and because you want a best meal. I pass on 9 a bua. This is Penny. I never could say Penny open mountain. Yes, I are simply Cabin and Kaya. What do you being quick? When I see that. And I'm going to mean Tiasiana. And young quotes and I and Tiasia. Wabu, what Chubby? The nigga for going is okay, can't go some one. What Chubby? Statement to all you know, being quay, Chadia. I will fee fight. I dare see into no. Eh, make me learn into the Mabina, my bed, and Mammy was just a Mammy see. I was also your comment is here when Muguasi. Sending opponents and all catch you. Was it Mimla Metrana make us a man who shall say, away, or my opponent, I said, Davaguntoka. Ah, the Wajas, Mamma. Wajama, because I mean, yes, no, someone. You can never challenge me. You are changing. I'm not saying, and you lie, Badu. To see, you ever challenge you to see. Why? We can challenge you, Papa. To see. Mommy, see. I was having for my gift and many other no gift. No, make a pay, you know. Now, the moment number two. Ah, Penny, and you're okay, Annie. Make a pay, you know. So, woman, sir, make us a mechi. Make a pay, you know. Oh, woman, sir, make us a mechi. But me, Mr. Bondako. Now tell me what you see. You see the end. You see now I'm chilling. Yes, okay. Also catch the Okagu Masum Kwa. I told my audio. Say Asem will catch them. Asem will catch them. Ose mammy come, mammy Bodi. Okay, mammy also catch them and Kwa. Masum, inti mammy can. Ah, okay, what can I say? Hey, 9 and 2 seconds. I better transfer corner. You need to on the castle. Baba, what's what flag on for? Maybe Baba, Asem Biasi. Me pasa won't show mammy. Baba, you wear mammy, Baba, or dying. I'm saying better now. Where the other way? I like your mom. I don't boy, you do 150. I'm saying better. As a man, Yankee, and Falaji, and Famalam. And a sister L. Bisano, not better than another. Namsia better. Why would they sweat audio and make us? And me won't be a Yamasi and Canopre. May farm a son tea. No more mobile, Becca, Namsu will be back.
afi no we free sister Ella so sister Freda na me se me ni obi ani nkomo why pa no ye wo twotwo mutwa na woni ni di agoro asisi a mo ndi agoro bio abeta kan sa asem ne kire me na me se me nim ni pa kono no say and the sister Freda nsem bebre ya dai ekoso abeta gina so ever was so na che say abeta de fa one kwamfo no ono ane kwamfo no ya antibio ono yo se kwamfo no ne kasa wone ne kasa ya na baba I want you to do I want you to make do one for me baba I want you to search baba somebody say I should play the audio baba and the abeta de won sa bra and the sister abeta create problem keke de buso malam nyina be wure mu ya hu mala o se o Mumbisa me say, Mumbisa abeta say Asem no meboa na. Ofre malam sister Ella waso, abeta waso, Ziggy waso. Or the malam ena baba make I do one for you. Baba do am, I will pay. Baba or the sa media minishia meka. Me say plan be o ma plan me hu bia. Nana me ye obi aboni o. Nana pacho ma make Asem. Lizzy ye minu ya ketwa, ana minu ya penny. Mini Lizzy ni ntokwa. Me ana me frɛ Lizzy. Say Lizzy me srawo. Akasakasa na AKOSUA media na doso wo ya wuli video wa oba pahwem na ye membo midin membo midin na me ka kire no na Lizzy say
chance me ko jonso aba chen me ba
na yo
me paucho ma vida pacho si en ko wai misro
yo Ziggy me ba Ziggy mama class audio Ziggy oh me paucho 1 second mama me 1 second Ziggy, me
the way I am lucky no. Manchi Freda and Kasawati.
Ziggy, me pa chawan kasa. Ziggy, bi amana no so a. E na Freda ne ohimelu meko. Freda ne ohimeko wo back door. Nana, enro akọ ohima be sign mi ti se ntokwa bi anko so. Nana me ne nku yo.
Omo kasa
mo pa chotie. Nana tie. Ohimelu ma e ye mi ya. Me pa chotie. Nana.
Why? I know, my sister, I know you are in pain.
It's very, very sad. This is mobile cartel. Mobile media, no so no my say. Any Freda Asem, in tokwa. Mo shameless people. Why na why ko?
Minimum. I don't want this so dear son takrache.
Sister, ever many omo ko ana. Many obi anko ye. Mo ye mo dwen say. En tokwa bi ani ho. It mo be creative problem. Na mo dia ma Freda. Me se ejine to bi mo to biala. Mimi nyankopon na me som no enfio ne akoma atwa wiase ahia obe destroy mu na be di mo want to aso achi
akuya tie me
sister ya say oba woti aware ase na da bia obi a won sem fata
akuya tie me ka asemachi
ene ema na mo de mo hwe ato apampan so na nkwasiafo meme bi say mo so di mu nti mo fi say mo ko ba bia mo nya shame anka wo kura ba be sia wo da ma be ma na no o ya say wada wo so adiu
akuya
mo ko ana mo di
adua wo hu dua aba e wo so no emre
ye
na nipa gina ase e to bobo mu dana
me se mo nkoso na mo de mo mpu mo to pa mo bia nya adrete ma me papa ye
wo fi me
kan kire wo bia mo tena mo ba bi me papa ye ni pattern kwa na be ba o mo ye me real lovers mo bia me tena me niti mo do Broni me niti me koso ase wa me niti bia mo fa mutim mo fa mutim na mo nko ma ko awie tokwa bia ni ho inti tete so me ntokwa na mete ye no manim guase na moje meje ye no obi bia la obeji sika o manim guase ade bia la me be ye papa a wo so biti aye sika ba wo je hu sika 1 cedi kura dia e beta ne no me yadi wa want to aso achi awudifo me kai 50 million na me dia sha nkwa brani isem me ti 50 million sister ya papa
akuya
me ti 50 million na me dia ma me yonko ba wa sa ponche
oh
me 20 million, 30 million. Na ma ban mo be di matem, na ma gumani mase. Minye nipa.
Akuya her time.
Me si wa so de be woso nfa be woso. Enkurasefo. Adai. Ade na mayamo.
Akuya wo fi me nsinko.
Eva sister ya papa.
I know.
My 50 million, 60 million dia mo kwabrane.
I know you are in pain.
Na me be check me kwa check na de. Na we bejina na wudi matem.
I know you are in pain.
Sister.
Akuya, I know how you feel. I know how you feel.
Oh, kuno.
But you see, sister.
Ba odobro ni nti me kan sika de ma. 50 million or 60 million. Na wujina comment section ase na wutwa bo me. My mother. Ever omuba no mabeka na ye pe peace me pa cho mo bia frɛ me phone so
Akuya yi wani ma obia yi wani ma obia
a ube fa wo phone afrɛ me ube hu dia me de be ye wo wicked souls mo ba beta ba en to kwa be na ekoso ba
wa do fo gina from hanoma wo mo tro obia ka say you are not in pain a won say ya me pese me ne wo kasa wo ha akuya me sro wo de dum no me enko wo de se me ne wo kasa wie na pese wo san ba na wapa me pa cho
ade ade na moji afri me ho
why akuya yenko
obi antra ne platform so wo se wakon me na me de me platform me say your friend game changer
oh
me na me de me platform me say your friend woman Gaddafi me na me de me platform me say me ye woman Putin me na me de me platform me say me ye woman Trump me na me de me platform me na me de me platform
kasa wo ye woman Jesus kra ne yenko ma me yenko
mo ha wo ne say
yenko
me say makon me say
akuya ukun ntokwa kun erade nkun ma wo
sister ever eniema ekum ni papa se kan wano tum
obia
sister ya papa ever niema EKOSUA emsa no pe wa hu bi ya sister ya minua me ye nipa ya sister
anti uka sawia me na me pesa me ne ukasa wo ha minua me pesa nya ha na me ba begina abe ane wa be kasa
mo ba no ma betena no ma ba betwetwe mo ba no ma betena no be di atem mo ba no ma ba bo akutia na dia mo ye no mo ka sese menu nye nyansafo bi edi machi a na me so me se me sori a ka mo banya taban ka me kira mo say yes ka me kira mo kafia because me nim say mo pese mo be use me na me mbra me kasa mo pese mo be use me na me be kontokwa
you know
bloggers ye mu nya
you know enti why are you
nya fan jijisika munya ene ye ni Freda ebe ko mon ko page man ye
ade be na caption de da so na pictures de da so
caption in the so ever my sister my caption in the so they want to sacrifice me omo person me obi intime sacrificing because me meko ma obi but they want to you omo person omo push ya na me meko na omo fan konto kwa fan jijisika fan jiji momo munya
akuya me si apo
Asem a me kan say ever me time me ba me ne mother no ko ye fan hwe se dia timtele wafo edi matem ene ye mfa nchaw ma me ne mfa nchaw na me se mon ko pa adwuma nye o ton mon ko pa adwuma nye mo a mo ko ntokwa a mo mpesa asomdwe beba obi an ko pa adwuma ye mo ti gan no ba bi a mo ti bia mon ko pa adwuma nye na me nko ntokwa bia bio me nko ntokwa bia bio ada na nipa bi mo je mo se Freda de yen na chese sikanti na moko tupa abusia penny to park beka say obia wadidi o mabusia no hu bia ye to park obai obo obi din o say ye media foi modidi abusia no hu bia ye esta mabusia ne pa o masomdwe mo mabusia ne nya ya somdwe ye na kwadwodi nda ade na manko butu park ade na mo ne na nkoko na me na me beka say mo nkopa adwuma ye o ton na Broni nya na somdwe no na maami ekosia se we nya na somdwe no mayi maami ne de na film na mode e na mwaji ahye mo ho omo krenti a me kan sa asem no omo kra me so media atem adai
mother e be two for say obra penny wate se me two for na se wo fa e be boa na se wo so wo fa e wasem aka che wa wi de wo ye amanfo piepia wo ene maami akosia se wa nkotweman so ene maami akosia se wa nkotweman so no you very careful na hwe yi se wa hwe yi a on ya bi e be pia wakɔhye no wa hwe a wonya gyefo nipa nyina be bom aka sɛ umu ade ene so be ne kore nso ampa ya memahu ne da ya maso wa hwe ya omdo be ko prison e ka kyerɛw onu masɛm be pia wakɔhye fiase enhu sɛ lawyers no eni abre pa amo foso so mpɛ sɛ mo kyerɛ onyansa ma hu bibi ti hye ndi you very careful ne hwe yi pa you too for so what ye bebo 1995 na meti etimetim na me hu lumbada na me pelumba ahwe no na meti sin lumba ne yere AKOSUA Serwaa aba etimetim ti me ma dwese ma akopɛ no no mahwɛ no na me kɔ nipa ne go no na nya sem ketewa ye tena ofra no pa kusi anwumre ansa na maame ne ba no kɔ ba na luma nka ho bi na wo hu maame no auto say yes oba ni ene wa adwen ye wo say wo ya baiwa tutim di maame na tem left and right say open bi an wa yes open what oda maame akoso say wa yes open de ono eni je awanya wiase no unya bi da what nti wo ye obi bi ahwe na fumu akọ ne brɛ wo ho ase nyankopɔn hu ahobrase amana pagya wo what ade a wo ya obi a ka kyerɛ sɛ moda ade a wo ye yenye kopa maame ne kyɛw osi wa kuma sɛ wo ne maame ne betwe ama Freda we eti America ha Freda we ne neti America wo ye nyina neti America ha Freda no maame no aboda mu aboda me kam a kyerɛ plane obi a otimi fence nsuo ene AKOSUA kobo obi dua na obo nipa ne dua wi a wasan aba be fa Bible sɛ obi church le obi sɛ nipa we na di na chi enyame ye wadom na so mo bo odin wo court ho na ko gina adaka nim na prosecutor nka sɛ wototo wa no wi a ɛhɔ na bu sɛ wadi nkwasi asɛm pa ɛhɔ na bu sɛ wadi nkwasi asɛm mate ti de mo mpiapia wa no mo piapia na wo na to wa mena nim wi a ɛhɔ na bu sɛ yes sɛ wadi nkwasi asɛm obi aka bibia wontie uba betena Yesu a enam nipa views na wo hu no udi amanfo atem saa wo mo hwe obi aka bibia kyerɛ wontie wo mo hwe nti wo free sa wo tuwe sa wo pɛ aware hwan ne de ne ba bema ebe ma wo sɛ fa ne bra be kyerɛ ne maame no nware hwe yi pa na me na adwo agare kanse bi kyerɛ me ansa no wo se kwa me ni mo hoi antimi wa etete wontoma na se sa be we ya me buru yi sa wonti asia wo moda opepani mu bi no nkyerɛ wase wate hwe yi pa na mpanifo ka sɛ wo mu ade no na ye ho a enya nsunsu aso bɔne e wo abrabɔ so sɛ wote de me ka kyerɛ no tuumfo na kai na sa wachi na fa kyɛw pama maame no na ɔmo am so ɔmo to a ɔmo ye na maame akɔso Serwaa e de moda kokɔ to nti ɔmo nte asie no maame ne lecture by be bɔ kokɔ sɛ hwe yi ne nsɛm a ɔkafa no wɔmpɛ e na akɔso odidi maame na tem e na wo ye de maame ne mpɛ e na maame na ye na adwen sɛ ɔbɛkyerɛ wonyansa sɛ wote asie ti hwe wo yi pa ese wo mu ade a enye dadu no ba yere so na dadu no ba no so da so ti ase e na ne yere akoso Serwaa ne nam a ka moda nka wo kura betima ben no ka wo betima ben no mpanimfo a mo ye mampani kura entimi emmen mpo na wo hwie pa me tuofo se menua ba ketwa so wo fa beboa wo na sa wo so mfa so de a ne wo wasem ne maka wi nyame nhira wo se wuti a beboa no se wanti a me da ya amaso ne se sa wo nu mu ansem no e de wakoto APF prison wo nu masem no de wakoto prison ate
Isam a garbage a baller cry baller near man moyen baller don't Africa for your padishia and to ten biano we jumped to conclusion you be air kwa ye pebibi a be boni pano ye pebibi a be boni pano a dear be many pane feel sad na me what is hand me I'll take you through the legal process that's one thing I'm good at. I will take you through the legal process. Now when you say you were civil cases are bebregu court any pay chiang car me catch you. Meti hey na enye bibia me de ba be yimba no e wo court. So say me DSC and let me post it to me page. I was responding to things the night with worker, so I had to post them. And I asked her to bring Miss Medioca so the best start a fight. Let me dinner them, me dinner them. So I asked the say one found no sooner dear met to her. Because one found by you have a problem. That means what by attack you be, what by sharing nudity, mrakwan so no mramma kwan. And to what would should be no, say me was asikano, there was that time that me find information, a bit be so within that point. Then a ye kasiye dan say waka obi asan wodi na deja bana me de mrakwan for so ne de omo ana omo champions so ne de mrakwan so no so de me de afaso bebre kwa translations no so ba bia na ma wo so akọ nti ebeba abrochire mra eye boko hiti ye say bang. Now you say case na wie yentie wano asem because every evidence and everything they need to actually deal with the particular criminal case has been settled. Enti me no wo ya ade na sebe maka e wa ha me wo evidence maka so me dey call police station na wo TB bi but one for the anko police station you have a problem. You have a problem. Me pacho me state TB. There is no video, no audio, no cash withdrawal, no evidence. I'm what that the bar. A bit me say AKOSUA Serwaa a case for court. And a bit me say Broni a case for court. That part is sorted, done and dusted. Reason for appeal is say omoka so want say the reasoning tia yanje omo a photocopy marriage certificate no antu. And I know some be video actually I think the last 2 weeks. Say ube to kwaya babruchi. Na yemfane say o got the visa. Chama me be pomano. Chama me be pomano. We have me our account me fish. It's also 10 minutes pay. Maybe two coin. This is my Canadian passport. So maybe two coin. Let's see. Here na main cover. Okay, main cover me say. So my Canadian passport in here. So maybe two coin. Na my yes I deal with photocopy. Me ye photocopy na ne photocopy ni kura na me de nam airport to airport. Does it make sense? Does it make sense, Anna? Photocopy na me de yaba no. Yes, me nkofa passport na nkasa mbechire wo. This is where the problem is. What the photocopy na ba? For passports na nkasa bra because passports are issued by an institution, which is the Canadian government. And you know, it says here, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Canada requests in the name of His Majesty the King, all those whom it may concern to allow the barrier to pass freely without delay or hindrances and to afford the barrier such assistance and protection as may be necessary. This passport is the property of the government of Canada. It may not be altered. You must take every precaution to safeguard it. No matter what French. And to me, photocopy. Does it make sense to you? If I have the original, and me claim some of the original on the back court to put no more photocopy and the file here. See for original bra. You know original no. This is where AKOSUA Serwaa's appeal is about. And what amended a little bit of the statement and what amended no, which is legally right. Ubetimi asesa wano asem e wo court emrama ho kwan. Sasa wano asem so what can be na answer to well with you. Then later I find this oh asem ya meka ye de bi na ntesa me dwifi ye ba na makai. Court be ma ho kwan sasa. But ye bisa ose for photocopy no. For original na bra. Na 1 year one famba. Epacho ukwa appeal 10,000 years. Any lawyer that tells you otherwise is just taking your money and eating it. Me donya me. That lawyer is just collecting your money and eating it or disturbo fucking. Or disturbo fucking. Because you cannot go to the bank and show them photocopy for them to help you. Abrochire away. Me want me documenting now on my phone so. Now me koji me phone chip because recently me 3,000 1,007 plus 1,000 2,700 bill for telephone. Me the 1,600 krona. Me the 900 close to 1,000 krona. And I me see me and I me cancel company no.
Until me koji another company, me show me ID on my phone. These idiots told me to drive back to my house and bring an actual physical copy of my passport. Omo anje me ID no. I want me phone so no. Because they needed the actual tender. Na omo kasa take your photocopy. Ansa na ye adwuma. Eno ani sesi AKOSUA Serwaa case na ekoso no. Mother or the baby ba. Or the baby ba. No beka say AKOSUA Serwaa can say. AKOSUA Serwaa can say. First of all, AKOSUA Serwaa ni odo Broni ni court because of nneema. And Crawford decided yes omo di omo pebeye. Then be ameka sa Asem we chiro. AKOSUA Serwaa has not legally given anybody power of attorney to represent her. Sa no do Broni so mo biara legal power of attorney to represent her. Enti some kwase asem bi kwaso a ene AKOSUA Serwaa ukọ court a wo na ebecho wo na wagimi wo na wagimi ebecho yenti AKOSUA Serwaa because there is no legal agreement between you and AKOSUA Serwaa from kwase asem a obedi ye nyina no AKOSUA Serwaa ma wo power of attorney, and power of attorney, mind you, cannot be given to 10 people. It's only given to one person at a time. And he say siano, AKOSUA Serwaa ma wo power of attorney for this month. The next month will choose another person. Yours is null and void. It doesn't hold any legal standing. And ye juma biem. And it's what could dim kwasi asem bi. Na wo feel say and embedi mami ye chi na mama bre and embedi mami ye chi na mama ye say me pa chofa wo nyansa tena ya me pa chofa wo nyansa tena be kunto ko mana na na you legally reliable for your stupidity ana eno na me night which ni na Jimmy for be post to me naked pictures and me the call court yeah the police case they are no share the juma matter yet tell juma musu me report ma the juma for because say odo Broni am be frame me say me be work ofibra wa ha the other man no me ex me partner ne ex-wife on no kura sa paper na ya report in 2024 enti ono no you reliable to answer to me first enti ono na me di kan Emma police for one corner so with the letter. Answer na me send you be out to their police station. Into police when I wahano ebua me make sure other letters including their filing case. Into make sure letter ma Italian police am the filing case na so e kire say case no one no way. Han originally no sa pictures ni free. Munshi adio. Now, not just the legal aspects, no, but the spiritual aspects. So be betting you kun because anything I may have a abono. Because then me come say ade me anya me den wo me find you be and as encrophobia be so this is one of the reasons I don't have patience me tina sasa na maka enti nipa bet me nipa nante di nipa boni say why because me no wona mo and you ma bebre me nye I'm doing well and you ma bebre me nye enti so wo ye bi kire me a not shock because if I choose to be your friend it means that I've opened up myself to you. So every small thing you do, no, it hurts me. Oh yeah, me be kit people. Ube feel say nyeshe, but me, it be hurt me because it be a kind of love na me no be far down from me nyama. Me mean to me you say. Into ye me say me be fool because me tia say that say I didn't na beti me say, but me mean to me you say. Na me be before akasa, and this is me. But sir, say yeko, and Kurano mom bit me Asem. Sa AKOSUA Serwaa begin say all pursue on case no with the breach of verbal agreement, breach of privatization, sharing of her information and her details which were given to her in accordance with when they were working together. Uko company bim now ko ye adwuma. Nese wo jai company no. Now the company ni secret eba out. The company has every right to sue you in court. I'm telling you the gospel truth, and this is the truth. The company now would jaye juma wo hono. Would your secret epieno. That company has every right to sue you in court. You cannot just be talking to me whilst you're working together on secrets and things, and because I said the company has laid you off and get you no both no one release the company trade secrets. Hey, you bet what to move. JB o man fa lawyer wanyansa, mo fa lawyer wanyansa. Wo na wo support na wo push no yodum fuck. You will be part or and subject to this stupidity through a lawsuit. So mo fa hye mo trimu na adwene bi enim na school bi enim no. Mo fa hye on any day a breach of agreement because I said they agreed at that time say me the way bro for your way mommy it was an agreement and your data it was an agreement so obiba information details be on BBA. Firstly, you're breaching that agreement you had with them. What I say your verbal agreement and now say your written agreement, you know, something transpired before the person shared with you their personal detailing or their information. And nipa not share with you, no. One can't suffer you cannot legally do that freely without any repercussion. Say men are the media court for breach of agreement, breach of friendship, breach of agreement, and misstating you won't me create you and because misstating everything, the degradation, the insult, the disgracing, the inferring, because it is your word against my word. And it was an agreement we had as of that time to lie together. Yes, I do. Additionally, ni back fortune. People with residence permits for 15 years, 20 years are being kicked out of Europe. They're taking them home. When you leave one company and restart with another company, companies' trade secrets that were with you cannot legally share them because you can't go to jail for all that. And legally. A civil case of breach of contract, verbal contract, sharing and exposing secrets that were shared by two people in accordance and agreement as of that time friendship. So if there is no more friendship, now you choose to go out, you can walk out without sharing. If you do share any person, you can't go to jail. You can't be charged. Everything can work against you. So fast your head will spin around like you're going crazy. There are certain lines you don't cross. And there are certain things you don't do. Like I said, nokre, eye back home. I will stick with the truth and I would always stick with the truth with people. But I knew maybe na u pushy, na o je, na u pushy, na ye catch out, ni obe shun crown obe kanyanza samachiro, obe yina nwesi fem because you feel it's a champion. You get into deep shit. Obe get into deep shit. Mepacho, don't ever in your life tell me what to teach on my page. Don't fucking ever in your life leave me a message to tell me what to teach. I am not paid by no fucking person for you to tell me so I shouldn't come and teach that. Are you fucking crazy? Are you stupid? Did I go to school for you? Did you pay for my school fees? I don't know as someone made sure, not just about mother, but everything I made sure. Why are you sending me this stupid message? Please, I'm blocking the crime pen. Asem, Jimmy for. When Jimmy na muabra, mukasa me one time from kwasi asem kwasi ade. Maka just me ni obi ko happy so. E dey kwasi asem no. Me better na me say na me kira de. Jimmy. Kwasi am paying. Mo dia obi nso enchiro me bi me kan jam say mame me nchire enyo betimi di akora na to trouble mu. Am I not teaching the laws? Laws ne e ka me bakra me yemfa me banko je. Ya mbisa me kunu no kan kire mu. Ono kura amra na be kina mama yed na akoje. Na nya wo out app issue. Enchimi ne kwase ya dede ne enchimi sembe brebe. Munim sa de yede ma what is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. From chimi enso ne kwase asemo no. E de enchimi samno. Why would you come and tell me that mama nchire no? Mama nchire no as in who are you? Why don't you go and on your life and teach what you want to teach? I didn't know about catch mama nchire no. Obi ye boni ne ye kan, osima ye nka, ye be kan ye ne ye nye. Yeah, the coming yet because I'm telling you the truth. Obi ni wa share details. Obi ama details, information. As of that time, we ni pa na ye adwuma. Mo nyina na mo agree some be money. Why your money na we no free group room. Ya pam wa say, me ko share trade secret. Emra say, wo ya ye betimi acho. Nipa betimi no wakokọ, wa cho. Atum nye chimie no. Na me go school am obi a. Nya na odi me go school. Me papa boom me say me go school na papa sorry ya boom me ase. Ya me go school na won come. Are you fucking stupid? Kwasi ade kwa betro. Na ye die. Eye wo ma me tragedy. Nonsense. Munya isa ade na nye good. Obi ya ade na nye. Obetimi aka, me nka. Me de mra na e kira ade. Asema me kan wo he. Emra e na me kire. Wo free company na sa wo the company ni trade secret e ko ba bia company ni timi kama ye chew. And one year, some make catch them. And two free company be more enko snatch enko dim konkonsa because company ne pom bit me my yacht show. Wa was ka ko chibi. For lawyer, don't come and stress me here. Me could I say my app no shoulda than me see so. Number shame you bufun kama brabo. Pacho. I will pick one by one or question and not waka. Na uya no wesi no be for fraba me pacho. Obana be di matama kai hunu say abetaviale page ni o me di watembi uwi amasen abbo dua pe wo so enya me na me de mra na ba ya mra na meto ye na me kan bi ente no emra na da ho I'm just showing you say ade a wo ya emra na betimi akekere wo na ni mpacho ba nso na de we kiri a wa mi tu ho kakra bi ama me sere me pacho obi wo question obi so betimi ebisa ya mi ni mo no ya be hwehwe no online me yeshia. Let's see. Clemente, Pacho, which maybe sir, or first a question why, Pacho.
Oh, and your question I said, and contribution and best of my mouth. Maybe say, yeah, which you're absolutely right. 2 weeks ago, when this happened, I told a friend of mine, said, the other party has the ever right to serve a Baba way.
Yes.
But
it's not what the Omubabu claiming.
Sorry.
yeah, the country say Baba way, Mami way, or whatever right said to sell a Baba way. And yes, say war me camp, said me know a better your one camp. Now there was some detailed vital secret go on and can me know me front chair. No ma could be ma could ye PSA any no. No, you can never ever do that. Yes, I mean, Ghana, they have given a lot of people platform. Sebi, onim nothing about what is going on in this modern world. What could baby because of which make MPP platform you know, which make platform bias or cut the open beer. No, you can't do that. You cannot do that. You bet you will say yes.
You can be sued.
Me say, no. Uko recording me, Mr. Baffin no be recording me, say den anuka ho, me no we gente, and then udi okwa I can see you. Me kasa say me no yes anima ya, me see you no. I will never forgive you. And yes, obi for kwa right. No. Ghana de too much. And yes, you fanche, no. Don't go by that kind of BS. Yeah. Win him now, win him pefe. You are releasing this information step by step. No, Brima ko jenechi. Oh, meto lawyer eyamon. No. I mean, the wo push akra na kom na kwakoye na nuka hono. Win him say mbrebi o wa wo di na chi kompro we say, we for lawyer man na nuka kompro. They can see you too. Aya obinum ye nneema bia. Yenhwe ye chi asa ye nneema. Nti the we teach no.
The videos and nneema with more words at the AKOSUA.
Yeah. I can't because
a party to case or more young a party to subject.
Yeah. Brother, you want no court. That's it. That's what we want. Brother, you want and yeah. Which you're absolutely right. Never say the right case now. What you point out is Yano or beyond Yano. Maybe a sandbag on a town for or town.
You know any business, not my business.
Business.
Emrani ni adamfo.
Debbie.
The laws does not have a friend.
Yeah, Debbie.
Oh, yeah, judge kurana asamne betua. You might get into trouble. That's one thing you should understand. You're creating mrano send a beya inipa bediso. Na mrano so eni ho a ankansem bebrebe timi atoto yen. Enu ntimi ye de mrano ayeden ato ho na e protect you bia. Se omuma obia we free ye chi enode yen sam bekwa. Enke ye ni peace a lot of death enenam kwan so. And in order to stop that, they choose to bring laws that prevents that. And in and somebody be home, next a free company now the court will not even hold it in high standard because say it can be stated say based on your pains with this particular company, you fabricated evidence in, and it won't be accepted. Until the BBA ye biano, as I said, ode nyansa kakra etso ennuama ho say enye bibia beka bia na yebeden yebeje everyone mpacho comment me dance pa mpacho nyoko next Scorpion Queen mpacho wa sembisa na okay oni asembisa ebi oboso ene yesay enti me mpacho he loves daddy mpacho bibika okay ebi ono so oboso ene bedaha enti me mpacho this is how the laws work. The laws does not allow everything, every utterances. Oh, na me ne boy we wo ho. And a time na me ne wo ho no. Na me ne da na film wo ye. Me ja no wa ye me bibi bone. Me de compacho mra becho. Emra becho. Na me ne we wo ho. And na wo ye criminal nneoma we me pacho wo de kono. Emra ne becho wo first as a party to that illegal nonsense now yeah. Don't think so they call we a song. I quite some armed robbery. Na evidence be anywhere where I bet you be. Now what's a crowd Yesu Christo demon Jimmy say Bible no say Holy Spirit to say for evidence no come one and fancy. Because as a would they continue who feel say be out the power be free there be a very reduced sentence now. But you bet you. You reduce the legal word they would use is for cooperating with the police in order for us to close this case. Your sentences have been reduced, not cleared, not closed. It will be reduced. And you will pay for what you did. And sanaya twaso. And timpachotia say, be anywhere elephant queen whatever ba. Ebesisa. Mama AKOSUA Serwaa case and odo Broni case. Bibie ni ho mo de beba. Ebesesa. Bibie de ekoso. Hi dear. I'm good yourself. Bibie ni ebesesa no. Bibie nsesa no. De akona court de ba first na ye twon manso no. No an da ho. Dia team legal for the kobiem say omo nti ase say omo appeal no yanji antu no enu anom eguso da honom enti me ba cho bibi enu esesa. That's your question. I'm good. But your question ana but you'll be any question I may be pong because already no crying I'm not supposed to be here. Enipa 253. Let somebody understand. Tell somebody. Tell another person. Tell another person and another person say. Abeta viala say emrano. Eninkwasi agro. Yemfamre nye pipra agro. Yemfa mbra emfa nkonko panishi obi a wonye hwe. Yemfa mbra nkonko panishi ada ye kan sen obi a wone no won tokwa na wakofa nneoma bade beba mpacho the laws doesn't work like that. The laws is not your personal playground. Na wakase me di bone na sesi ade bone na me di ye na massacre mem Jesus mem kwanda yi na mesum Jesus oh Jesus oh mesum Jesus na emra na sesa prekope say asama ali obi kan ya it was a privacy agreement between you two na wa ba be breach no wa be kansem ansa se yeka na wa feel say oh wo me twim no me girl yi kuma ni maami yi kuma me apamo me enti nsem bi a na ewo ho no be beba maami ne betimi ama ya cho obe civil case in the court me ba cho mate Odi ase maame na papa no obetimi ama yacho because say as of that time na no no agreement say mo koye adwuma abomu no wa meka nchiro say betena app no so na fa adwuma na mo ye no back door no fa bra beka chiro bi wa no anko say agreement no and atem bia me kasa asem we it is very illegal for you to record anybody munsu ya sa nyansa no Miten bia meka me se me gina wano asam so abodua na me de wakokot so we record obia na se eye for evidential purposes court mran say the law states say recordings can be shared with your lawyer these officers the judge as an evidential basis and then in order for you to clear your name. But when you deliberately record somebody to shame them, to disgrace them, why would you have friends? Let them be a word to say baby Broni be sing to me recording profile. Why? Me bajo oh baby come meet me at you.
Abata.
And
Over so say many will be kasa ne kwasa me recording no.
Daddy.
Enya depa.
So we recording and so ubetimi a record because oka conversation no embra kwan so ubetimi a record but eba sharing na mrada ho
Just say okay ma'am
me ne work say be a party to the conversation metimi a record for my own referencing someday but ukwa kwa chem eho na asem wo
na ya asem okay
eho na mra no ewo mu no
just me bufu say den kwa na me ni right say be dey asem ne beto abonten.
No.
Oh.
What they pass evidence from a police ni, from a judge, from a lawyer. So lawyer ni feel say ya BBS say ba out so lawyer ni the beba. And he is within his legal right to do so as a lawyer. Or what that certification they allow no to bring out evidence. Unibi.
I said ya na mrano ya yente ase ti bibia na de betina media ne so na ye share. Oh. There's a recording is not the problem, but how you share it,
Thank you.
Where the problem lies. Okay. Okay.
You can record every meeting as long as you are party to. Recordings are basically there to protect us from malicious lies. But when that happens, you write, this is how we need child services for case I record everything without telling them. But when it came to sharing, I shared it at the court. They were shocked.
You did not share it
with
on
anybody
media.
else.
With anybody, yeah.
No, at the court. Me question me printing account that states recording is permitted with any government worker, with the police officers, with everything and everybody. As long as you are party in that suit, you can do that. But who be share?
The honor Asem ni na ejina. Mate de o kana say. Mate was perfectly. And just let's put this. Ye nuanom mienu na issue advice.
Mame answer dear waha. When it comes to the law, we don't have a party A, party B. It's the laws.
Yeah.
When I start teaching here, I'm Alberta, a certified paralegal. My course school not to teach. Me tradia. The fact to say me a MPP it doesn't mean some million this for me ni obi enko. Me chira me nsem. Tin o won ti ase na ye di matem me mfa. Tin na me be ka sam na di matem I don't give a fuck about you. But the yamra no me chire. Say kwa ma hwanya emfa me ho because there are other people are omo problem say mo mbetini esua. I'm not just speaking because of what
anya wo nkwana anya team Broni nkwana wo line so even if a team Broni for kwana then we will not make certain mistakes. What I say it's here why enkoye mistake wo baby because he say me kwana me nim say my dream say movement make say I'm a recorder and I have rights.
You have a right to record, but the sharing process is where sharing right is limited.
Me were right to share because no credit and person, but not knowing, and now you've make it clear. Say I made my record, but I can't bring it out. The lawyer and I say police need it for evidence sake. Make me the okay.
What the market party? Na say bi anipa no ponim na what say ye share my way obetimi ay mu nyina party to the suits.
Wow.
Obetimi de mu nyina ka lawsuit no because each and every one of you have received something that was not meant for you. Inti say me chirawa firstly me message ba ho this is how my message etie. I will show you eba me send you a message. This is what comes under my message and it's always a legal repercussion to everyone that gets it. Me send a message in a legal it's in French and English. It says this message and any attachments are intended only for the user for whom I have mentioned their names. If this email comes to you in an illegal way through an unauthorized method that it was shared with you, all the content within my emails cannot be shared by you with anyone, cannot be forwarded in any legal stance. If you do so and do not delete this message immediately, if it is not for you, you stand the legal chances to face me in court for legal negligence and liability to everything you share. Make sure let it be.
Warning.
It is part of my letter. It comes under my letter.
Say by in Paconen said they didn't know.
Yes. And to what into so share. This is legal disclaimer. This is what can happen. Make me the work of court because make sure you the clearly say no for be sensitive messages. Anything I broach you know. I for omo ye dumb and daft no. Omo ye adwuma court paper shredding place on. Because omo nim adwene to read omo adwene na touch on special kids for no that special syndrome people they are the ones that shred court papers and every secret abroad because omo ntime nkan eno ntine ye mfa nipa wo nyansa wo no because ye fa wo nyansa na betime ekoko take picture and I take picture no so abai mechew enti na abai kura wanya kura ma wo mfa and the companies enkrofo staff for the bebre fie wo so wo komu a omo ka kire wo say hwene wan kokan yasem wa abonten agreement ye ne wo fei ye ne wo so wo hwe nansen ya your friend is saying him 99 I'm not able to pick you my pick your side it's not coming through nansen ya former president of America Biden bedridden into omo hire a black person bi so nkoye adwuma wo all kono and the presenters she and no start to be so banasem what are you doing you say I'm coming to take care of
that video was the
She's been fired. She's been fired. All come no kasai open and not jump but one come black man now or more higher and now no shadow. Or call her Bobby beside some or beside the I say, what are you coming to do? I say, I'm sorry, I'm not talking. And not Chomko, he's still working there. It's called privacy.
Okay, so the lady okay, because she answered
that lady is fired because she talked.
Oh my
you cannot go and tell somebody's business when it's not your freaking business. They take these privacy statements very seriously. African they miss it I do not record, but when you do record me, share it with your lawyer when there's a case. And also when I ask you to share it, and now I say 99 pages, you say, now I was asking my sister to share the audio recording between us because I wanted the truth there. And I want to share. But if you do have an audio recording, you need to share because as of that time, I am requesting for the truth here and I'm asking you to share. Until you can legally share it.
Okay.
Man can't,
last one.
Now,
I bet I don't go court. I bet
it's video court.
Another one last you say at the moment, there's an issue. I know say you've tried to advise already. When issue liba between you and Muna and the other side, that mother. I know say we try say Obama advice I can't even though you make it clear. I like your lifestyle.
Metina Lizzie life for so make I say one call police station. One share her evidence with the police. Police if one will look into this was the first legal step to take out unkonya any repercussion after. Because I know what police station I can was and the police if one evidence and into one some the police station why or when you say what be reported in something in about who feel say na you wrong go campaign no.
Okay.
But one yanasa na ujai na ubana u dem ran show on some mea me twagua and social media a nonsense. But nipa no so betimi drag you to the court and trust me. If I start stating the kind of laws they can use on you to get compensation for disgrace, defamation, inferring derogatory statement for every bullshit that is happening here. Yeah, when you go far in life. And this is one thing I tell my children.
Okay, that's last thing.
Pushu said, "Yeah, will be a bobra." Yeah, do because it's a one agreement no na ewo no. Nipani yes subject to that issue, but only the main culprit.
It all catch us a bobra.
And one ni Ghana. And nipa bebre ni Ghana, but you boom you do mo ya mo Ghana na mo makodama nim. The laws are there. Although Broni chooses so be chi obia wo kan na some kind of money me donya me. I rather na mumu bebre kra de Ghana go de muntumi nkobie because so play obia no asem na wo ka bibia nipa bet me de akokok but make sure how the court works. When you don't live in the country, the case is there in the country waiting for you. The moment nipa bet say oba country no, the only thing they do is they go to the court and let the judge know say nipa no kan sa asem we fa me ho na me pese oyi ano wo ba kro no so until we invite no. Ukodu no be any number the be invite no police for me invite to me come in same cast here. O ba na ujina airport no me show so you are. Because one, they did not get any place to serve you. Two, they did not have your legal telephone number to serve you, and they didn't have any way of contacting you. So the only legal thing the court would allow them to do, since you stated so many and somewhere is they'll go to court and get that paper down and ready for you. Naturally, as a court now enforce say because in some year can't Debbie where would you say and it's a true airport, you'd have to have all your evidence. And Ghana, number one, I carried the registry paper. Na man because I could just say when lumbo man worried that Germany no, but the chair me bag mokoi. Me the Germany registry one number na me fresh no. E wo me phone so me save the koi. And in case of anything now, we just call them and I'm free to go. I give the papers. Na why you say na we chire de any we chire but you bet you mo akoda obi no.
Oh, okay. You are a lovely person. I want to see more of you like this. Yana. Papa, no, you're good, pa. Papa, no, you're lovely. We see, Mama, ne thumbs up. Or no quality, me tell da. We see, me donu.
Only yanka me point.
Ah, we see, me penas and pa. Why are there? About ya, say na your pill, me power chop. Why? About
say a bit more shiny baby.
there be a better. You need to. When most, I would say 99% of the time, you know, we are right. But abutraya na unya. So but can wo side of the story no. Ya na wo ma wo bufu ni dikan ansa na waka wasem ni ya na ma ya tinchen mi se mi ti wase pa but na me kuma ya mi ya better nyai de no ye no jeje ni na sem no the person mi nya wo say why abe na wuti mi cheche unya time so ya be cheche ni ma mu kakra.
Hello.
Papa,
good morning. Pacho mate. Oh, obi am here. Uti ya we abet me send me screenshot. Agreement be mount yasia no fa adia mark homa me. That's all I need. But the one on yasia. Say o time so e wo dan no a fire extinguisher e mandatory nti wo ba on beba ho rent tenant bi aba within 2 weeks me mo ba ho no ma be show say bi eja ba say na be no wato wow fire extinguisher no insurance you have to do it because in case say BBC and now she me dan na beto entire property no and in insurance you have to do it yourself e bi a wa insurance or what they are fine who means so you just try to do it yourself.